Welcome back to my channel. In these videos we talked about the Pandas library. We'll cover A to Z, the functions, method and everything you need about the Python, sometimes more than you need. So don't forget to follow us step by step to catch everything about the Pandas. Let's go. Okay, let's create a project folder, virtual environment and install Pandas. Okay, I type a cmd and search, I open the command prompt and then I go into the desired directory, for example desktop. You can go anywhere that you want, and then I said mkdir make directory. The name of my project is test, for example. I press enter and then I go into the test folder. As you can see, the test is created here. Okay, now I want to create my virtual environment. If you don't know how to install Python, how to create a virtual environment, how to install virtual environment, please check this video. It is very helpful. Okay, I said virtual env and then the name of my environment, test pandas, and then I need to select the Python because I have a different versions of Python on my system. But if you have just one version, you don't need to select the Python. You can just press enter when you reach here. But I need to select the Python, so -- Python equal. Then I need to go C directory. I go to the users and then the name of my PC. And then I need to go to app data. If you can't see the app data, please go into the view tab, check the hidden items, okay? Don't forget. So I open the app data, I go into the local and then I search for programs. You can see program is here. I go into the programs and this is the Python folder. All the version of your Python is here. I open the Python. I want to choose, for example, Python 10. I go into this folder, copy the address here, okay, by Ctrl C, and then I paste it here by Ctrl V. But this is not the last step. Don't forget to type /python.exe, okay, then press enter. Okay, my virtual environment is created. Let me minimize this page. Okay, now I want to activate virtual environment because I need to install the pandas in my virtual environment. So I type test pandas, the name of my virtual environment, use a / scripts with a S, don't forget, and then activate. Okay, press enter. As you can see, the test pandas is activated here. So I need to install the pandas in my test pandas. So I said pip install pandas. Because one of my network connection is awful, I changed the connection, so I need to set install pandas again. Okay, everything is done. As you can see, the NumPy was installed because the Pandas is based on NumPy, so you don't need to install NumPy again. And also I want to admit that I want to code on Jupyter Notebook, so I need to pip install notebook, but it's not necessary for everyone. You can actually code on VS Code, PyCharm, everywhere, any IDE that you are comfortable with it, you can coding on. But I use a Jupyter Notebook because it is really easy for a junior or someone who wants to start the pandas. Okay, let's pip install notebook and press enter. Well done. The last step is Jupyter Notebook and then press enter to use a Jupyter Notebook for coding. This is Jupyter Notebook environment and you can open new notebook from here, new tab, and then click on the Python free. Okay, let's let's talk about the Jupyter Notebook in the next session.